Welcome. So this is ICC Max 10th trigonometry lesson from R.S. Agarwal book. This is question number 29 from the exercise 22A. Okay. So what is our LHS and RHS? So this is a different problem, students. So usually we are taking LHS and we came into the answer of RHS. But in this problem we are going to do separately. Okay, taking LHS in got our answer, and taking RHS we will have the same answer. Okay, so if you have the same answer, this will be a we can prove that. Okay, so now go to the problem taking a LHS. So what is our LHS? This is sin A by cot by sin. So cot theta can be right cos by sin. Okay, and cosecant is the reciprocal of sin, so you can give 1 by just we are going to substitute. See, listen, what is our first step? Sin A divided by, we have cos theta. Okay, so for cos I am writing cos A by sin A. Cosecant, that is 1 by sin A. So this is the first step, students. Do you understand, ma? We are just substituting the cot and cosecant. Okay. So what is our next step? Nothing but the next step, keep this numerator as it is. The next step, you can add this red color. Okay. How will you add, students? The denominators are equal. See this denominator, sin and sin, both are equal. So you can just add cos A plus 1 by sin A, because sin theta means denominators are equal. Okay, so that is why. Do you understand, ma? This step? Yes. So what is the next step? So see, sin A, keep this numerator as it is, multiplying. We are going to take this reciprocal. Okay, so reciprocal. How will you take reciprocal? Sin A by cos A plus 1. Okay, so this is the second step. Okay, first step substituting, second step you just take you need not take LCM, numerators are equal, just add and taking reciprocal. See, students, now you can multiply the sin A into sin A, we get sin square A by cos A plus 1. Okay, yes, so we have sin square A by the identity. What is that identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So we need sin square theta. So sin square theta we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So see, for sin square theta you can write, how will you write? 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta plus 1. Sorry, cos A plus 1. Okay, this is also angle A. See this numerator, students. This this numerator is of the form a square minus b square. So this is of the form a square minus b square. So you can write a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so see, exactly you can write now 1 plus cos A, then 1 minus cos A. See, what is the denominator? Just keep this denominator. You can write this denominator 1 plus cos A. Cos A plus 1 and 1 plus cos A. Both are equal. Now, this is multiplication sign. Now, you can cancel. Which can be cancelled? Which term? This 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. So, we have 1 minus cos A for the LHS. So you have to get this answer RHS. If you get this answer as RHS, both are equal, so hence it will be proved. Okay, now we have to take the RHS. So what is our RHS? So that is 2 plus, see students, 2 plus sin theta or sin A divided by cot A minus cosecant A. Okay, shall we do? Yes. Is it a boring sum? No, kids. So you just listen with carefully and silently. Okay, so watch the video very peacefully. Okay, so concentration is more important. Okay, so if you concentrate, your whole concentration is, if you are on the problem, this problem definitely easy problem. Okay, so keep this. See, we have a 2 plus, keep this numerator as it is sign. Yes, so we have cot and this is cosecant. Same thing as in the RLHS. Okay, see, cot theta can be right cos A by sin A minus, for cosecant you can write 1 by sin A. So this is our first step. Do you understand, ma? Yes. So first, sorry for this. Wait, what is this? Yes, go there. Okay, so 2 plus. Okay, students, see, listen carefully, students. Concentrate yourself. See, keep this numerator sin A divided by, what is in the red color? See, this is sin A, sin A. Denominators are equal. So you can just cos A minus 1 by sin A. Okay, so both are different. Okay, can you understand? So that is why I have changed in the color. I hope you all understand. Okay, so keep this numerator. Okay, so the red color fraction, so yeah, white color fraction, the denominator you have a red color fraction. So this fraction is in the denominator, just take the reciprocal. So how will you take reciprocal? Sin A by cos A minus 1. Okay, so we have taken the reciprocal. So what is the next step? See, in this next step, we can multiply 2 plus sin A into sin A. So that is sin square A divided by cos A 1. Okay, it is changed. Keep this 2 as it is. Okay, so sin square theta, you can write, how will you write? By the identity. Sin square theta can be write 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so this is 1 minus cos square A. Do you understand, ma? Yes. Divided by cos A minus 1. So the numerator you have is square sign. Okay, so you can give minus square for 1 also. Okay, yes. So what is the next step? See, students, listen carefully, concentrate. Yes. So the second step, next step 2 plus. So this is of this numerator. See this numerator of the form a square minus b square. So how will you write? A plus b into a minus b. Okay. See how will you write? Yes, changing the color is perfect. 1 plus cos A and 1 minus cos A. What is in the denominator, students? See, denominator we have cos A minus 1. So simply see, we have some only thing. See, you cannot cancel this thing and this one. Both are saying equal, but some is difference. What is that different? The cos A here it is negative. The numerator it is positive. The 1 is positive. Here it is negative. So we have to take the minus as common. Okay. So for the numerator or the denominator, you can take any of them. Okay. So I am going to take the minus in the numerator. Okay. See. So how will you take? See. This is 1 plus cos A. Okay, students. So I am going to take minus 1 outside. So what do we get? We get, see this one. Okay. Cos A minus 1. So by cos A minus 1. See, now you can cancel this term. Can you understand, ma? Yes, we have cancelled. So that is why you are taking the minus 1 outside. So where you taking as common as minus 1? This here only. So in this place, see, I am taking here the minus outside. So that is why this cos is a positive and minus become negative. Okay. So it is cancelled. This one is cancelled. So what is left out? See, 2 plus See, we have minus 1. So, note this minus 1. So, now you can multiply, students. How will you multiply? See, exactly how will you multiply? Minus 1 into 1 and minus 1 into cos. Okay. So, directly you can write, students. See, how will you write? Minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, and cos minus cos. So, 2 minus 1, that is 1 minus cos. So, this is our RHS. See, students, RHS and LHS both are equal. We get 1 minus cos A. So, both are equal. So, we can conclude, hence it is proved. So, okay. So, this sum is a not a difficult sum, students. This is all about understanding. So, keep watching at least for 2 times. So, you will get an idea and do the problem. Okay, students. Just take a pen and do it immediately. So, you will understand. So, if you have a doubt, you just comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.